Good morning, kids. Hello. All well? Yes? What are you doing? You had your breakfast? Yes? What you had in your breakfast today? I think some healthy food, na? Yes, like milk or cornflakes, paratha and all that. Yes? Now you're sitting quietly and watch this video and learn what ma'am is doing. Okay? So today, what we are going to do? We are going to do English. And which topic? O sound words. We have already started with O sound words. Now today we will do the second part of it. So let's see. Are you ready to see who is going to become the friend of odd? Who is going to become the friend of odd? Let's see. You know O-D, odd. So who will become the friend? First we have P. P sounds P. P. So when P will join odd, what it will become? P. Odd. Pod. P. Odd. Pod. So it is P. Odd. Pod. What's this? Look at the picture. Yes, this is green peas. And what is pod? Pod, we call it, which covers the seeds. Seeds means दाना. जिसके दाने होते हैं, उसको जो cover करता है. That is called pod. See? Seeds are covered with the pod. That is pod. Next we have R. R sounds R. R. Odd. Rod. R-O-D. Odd. Rod. What is rod? See? Yes, this is rod. At home also you must be having curtains. Yes? How you hang your curtains? On a rod like this, na? It is a rod and you hang your curtain there. That is rod. These are the odd words. What's this picture? In this picture, we can see a boy is using a rod and he is catching the fish. So let's write a sentence. You know, sentence is group of words. So start. A F-I-S-H. Fish. A fish. I-S is I-N in T-H-E the F-I-S-H fish I-N-G ing. This sounds ing. Fishing R-O-D rod. Sentence finished. We will put full stop. A fish is in the fishing rod. Now kids, we will do O-G, og. Og sound words. So what is here? D. D sounds D. D. And when it will join og, D, og, dog. Yes. D, O-G, og. D, og, dog. What is this? Yes, this is the picture of a dog. You have seen near your house also. There are so many dogs. So, this is D, og, dog. Next we have L. L sounds L. L, og, log. When L will join og, L, og, log. What is log? See, when we cut big trees, then we get this log. When trees are big trees, not small, big and old trees are cut, we get this log. And this is used to make our furniture. Check in your house what you have. Table, chair, yes, cupboard made of wood. That wood we get from this log. This is log, log. Next we have J. J sounds J. J sounds J. And when J will join og, J-O-G, jog. What you will get? You will get jog. What is jog? When we do jogging. See this. What he is doing? He is jogging. This man is jogging. So J-O-G, jog. So let's do one sentence. What you can see in this picture? You can see dog and log. So our dog is sitting near the log. We will write a dog. What is the spelling of dog we have done here? D-O-G, dog. N-E-A-R. We have done near. T-H-E, the. L-O-G, log. Now sentence is finished. What I will do? When sentence get finished, we put full stop. So a D-O-G, dog. N-E-A-R, near. T-H-E, the. L-O-G, log. A dog near the log. Okay? Now kids, how you will write? We will start with the odd words. R, O, D, rod. R, order, rod. Now P, what ma'am told you? P will not touch the upper red line. Like this you will write. P, O, D, pod. These are odd words. Now we will do odd sound words. D, O, G, dog. D-O-G, dog. L-O-G, L-O-G, log. G will touch the lower red line. J, J-O-G, jog. So these words you will do in your notebook. Now kids, we will do colors name. In our first part, we have done red. Yes, you remember? Red, pink and blue color. Okay? Now today, in our next part, which color we will do? Let's see. This is black shoes. Yes, we will do black. What's the spelling of black? We will write B-L-A-C-K. We will pronounce B-L-A-K. We will say A-C-K. B-L-A-K. K sounds K. Black. B-L-A-C-K. Black. So let's see more things of black color. Now kids, here are some black color things like this TV remote. This is of black color. This lunch box, it is of black color. This is a black color pen. This is a black color band. Your mother or sister must be using it. And this is a black color crayon. All these are of black color. Now kids, what you can see? Yes, this is a white color bird. What is the name of this bird? Dove. And what its color? Yes, white. White. What is the spelling of white? W-H-I-T-E. White. White. Again same thing. Do you remember? E is coming at the last. अब तो आपको पता हो गया. When E comes at the last, E is silent. And before this, we have consonant and this is vowel. So we will take the long sound. That is the name. I sounds, short sound, E. We will not say E. We will say I because E is at the last. White. White. When we pronounce, we say W-H. I, not E. I. we will take the long sound. I, t. White. He is silent. So, white. White. Spelling is W-H-I-T-E. White. Let's see more things of white color. Now kids, here are some white color things. This is a white color yarn. This is a white color chalk. This is an eraser. You know, you must be using it. This is a white color charger, mobile charger. Okay, you must have seen your parents charge their mobile with the charger. This is of white color charger. And this is white color cloth. And this table is also of white color. So these are of white color. These all items are which color? White. Yes, what is the color of this leaf? This is green. What's the spelling? G-R-E-E-N. G-R-E-N. I told you we have done, when we have double E, the sound comes E. We have done this now, E. So, G-R-E-N. Green. G-R-E-N. Green. Spelling is G-R-E-E-N, or we can say double E also. G-R-E-E-N. Green. Now kids, what is this? This is a green color comb. This is a green color leaf. This is green color sketch pen. This is a green color Borolene, box of Borolene. And this is a green color bottle of hair oil. So all these things are of which color? These are of green in color. All these are green in color. This is green color. Now kids, I will write the words. You will write in your notebook and learn them also. Which color line is this? Red. And this is green. And I am using blue color to write. So first we have done black. B-L-A-C-K. Black. Black. Then white. W-H-I-T-E. We have done E silent. Take the long sound. W-I-T. White. Then next G-R-E-N. Double E sounds E. G-R-E-N. Green. So these words you will write in your notebook, one page, and learn them also. Okay, learn the spellings and send it to your class teacher. Okay. Now kids, tell me, who is he? He is a tailor. When you want your clothes to be stitched, what do? You go to tailor and he stitches your cloth. Now who is he? He is a cobbler. Okay, when you want your shoes to be mended, when it gets old, you go to cobbler and he mends your shoes and it becomes new one. Now who is he? He is a traffic police. Traffic police. Okay, so what he does? In the center of the road, you must have seen, when you go outside, he stands in the center and with his hands, he does the action like this, like this. That means he tells the vehicles to stop or go. So today, we are going to do a rhyme about this tailor, cobbler and policeman. So get ready. I am a tailor making clothes. Stitch, 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 my needle goes. I am a tailor making clothes. Stitch, 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 my needle goes. I am a cobbler mending the shoes. Rat, tat, tat, and it's just like a new. I am a cobbler mending the shoes. Rat, tat, tat, and it's just like a new. I am a policeman, I stand just so, telling cars to stop, telling cars to go. I am a policeman, I stand just so, telling cars to stop, telling cars to go. Okay, children, you have listened this rhyme and I will send you the pic of it and you will learn it and send to your class teacher. Okay?